let's get started. The answer is a baby penguin. A baby penguin honks. The answer is a turkey. A turkey gobbles. The answer is a hawk. A hawk screeches. The answer is a quail. A quail calls. The answer is an orangutan. An orangutan makes low, throaty calls. The answer is a coyote. A coyote howls. The answer is a gibbon. A gibbon hoots. The answer is a cicada. A cicada buzzes. The answer is a sea slug. A sea slug crawls. The answer is a falcon. A falcon flaps its wings. The answer is a scorpion. A scorpion's tail rustles softly. The answer is a goat. A goat bleats. Great job, animal sound detectives! You guessed so well! Applause for you! That's all for today. See you in my next video, my friend. I'm Gigi Little Laughs.